All of you release your eyes. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Open your eyes.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, all of you. Very, very good.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Welcome to today's online classes.
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening. Okay, I have muted all of you. Nivas, I have given to you unmute option. Nivas is there?
సార్ అందరికి మైక్ ఆప్షన్ ఇచ్చే ఉంది సార్.
No, no. Muted. Okay. If any problem, you can say me. Okay.
ఓకే సార్.
Right. Yes, screen sharing. Can you see screen? Unmute.
స్క్రీన్ కనపడుతుంది సార్.
Yes, yes. Okay, okay, right. Okay, now story time. All of you look at the screen. You can see here a squirrel and a mango, a tree, and a monkey. So this story you can see on the screen. One day, a squirrel saw a mango in a tree. The squirrel ran up the tree to eat the mango. A monkey was sitting in the tree. The monkey said to the squirrel, "The mango is mine. You cannot have it." The squirrel said, "Brother monkey, I am very hungry. I am very hungry. Please let me eat half of the mango." The monkey agreed. Together, they ate the mango. Thus, the monkey and the squirrel became friends. So, this is the small story. Understand, children?
Yes, sir. I am understand.
Can I say once again?
No, sir.
No need?
No,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, yes. In this story, I hope understand all children, understood all children. So name the story. ఈ స్టోరీకి మీరు పేరు పెట్టండి ఏదన్నా. విచ్ నేమ్ సూటబుల్ ఫర్ ది స్టోరీ? ఏ పేరు ఈ స్టోరీకి సరిపోతుంది?
Mango tree.
Mango tree. Yes. Suggest any more? Two friends. You can see here a squirrel and a monkey. A squirrel and a monkey here. Two friends. They became two friends. Okay. And good friends also. A squirrel and a monkey became good friend also. Okay. Okay, now
Okay, sir.
let's sing ABCD. Okay. You listen carefully. Come little children, come to me. I will teach you ABC. Come little children, come to me. I will teach you ABC. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Once again, listen. Come little children, come to me. I will teach you ABC. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Okay, this is a small song about ABCD alphabet. Okay, so you also learn this song. So you post your song by the WhatsApp group. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now go to today's class. Today all sing and dance. Okay, you can see here.
Okay, sir.
Amma, Amma, where is ye? Amma, Amma, where is ye? Ye is there in ant and apple. Once again. Amma, Amma, where is ye? Ye is there in ant and apple. Okay, let's see ant and apple. Children, you can see apple and ant here. What is this, children?
Apple, sir.
Yes, this is apple. This is apple. So, which is the first letter in apple?
A.
Yes, A. Capital A. You can write capital A like this. Okay, children. Okay. What is this, children?
Ant.
Yes, this is ant. This is ant. Which is the first letter in ant, children?
Small a.
A, small a. Very good. We can write small a like this. We can write small a like this. Okay, children. Now go to another song. You can see here. Papa, Papa, where is B? B is there in bat and ball. Once again. Papa, Papa, where is B? B is there in bat and ball. Okay, let's see bat and ball. Children, you can see here bat and ball. What is this, children?
Ball, sir.
Yes, this is ball. This is ball. Which is the first letter in ball?
Capital letters, sir.
B. Capital B.
B.
This is capital B. We can write capital B like this. Okay, children. What is the children?
Bat.
Yes, this is bat. So which is the first letter in bat?
Small b.
B. Small b. Yes, children, we can write small b like this. Okay, children. Let's go next song. Children, you can see here. Mama, mama, where is she? She is there in cat and car. Once again. Mama, mama, where is she? She is there in cat and car. Okay, let's see cat and car. Children, you can see cat and car here. What is this, children?
Cat, sir.
Yes, yes. This is cat. So which is the first letter in cat?
Capital C.
C. Capital C. This is capital C. Okay, we can write capital C like this. Okay. What is this, children?
Car.
Yes, this is car. This is car. Which is the first letter in car, children?
Small c.
C. Small c. We can write small c like this. Okay, children. Okay, now let's go to next song. You can see on the screen, children. Dada, Dada, where is D? D is there in doll and dog. Okay, children. Once again. Dada, Dada, where is D? D is there in doll and dog. Okay, let's see doll and dog. Children, you can see dog and doll here. What is this, children?
Dog. Dog, sir.
Yes, yes. This is dog. This is dog. Which is the first letter in dog, children?
Capital D, sir.
Yes, yes. D. Capital D. This is capital D. We can write capital D like this. Once again, see here. We can write capital D like this. Okay, children. What is this, children?
Doll.
Yes, doll. This is doll. What is the which is the first letter in the doll, children?
Small d, sir.
Yes, small d. It is in red color. Okay. This is small d. This is D, small d. Okay. We can write small d like this. Okay, children. Right. Okay. Now let's go next song. Okay, children. You can see on the screen. Will you show me where he is? Will you show me where he is? He is there in egg and eagle. Once again, children. Will you show me where he is? He is there in egg and eagle. Okay, children. Let's see egg and eagle. Children, you can see here egg and eagle. What is this, children?
Egg.
Yes, it is egg. Egg. The first letter in egg.
Capital E.
E. Capital E. This is capital E. We can write capital E like this. Okay, children. Right.
Okay.
What is this, children?
Eagle, sir.
Yes, this is eagle. This is eagle. Which is the first letter in eagle, children?
Small E, sir.
Yes, E. Small e. This is small e. We can write small e like this. We can write small e like this. Okay, children. Let's go. Next song. Okay, children. You can see on the screen. Will you show me where F is? F is there in fan and fish. Okay, children. Will you show me where F is? F is there in fan and fish. Okay, let's see fan and fish. Children, you can see fan and fish here. What is this, children?
Sir. Fish, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. This is fish. What is first letter in this?
Capital F, sir. F,
Yes,
sir.
F. Capital F. This is capital F. We can write capital F like this. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
What is this, children? What is
Fan.
this, children?
Fan, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. This is fan. This is fan. Which is the first letter in fan, children?
Small F, sir.
Yes, F. Small f. This is small f. We can write small f like this. Okay, children. Let's go
Okay.
to next song. You can see here, children. Will you show me where G is? G is there in goat and girl. Once again, children. Will you show me where G is? G is there in goat and girl. Okay, let's see goat and girl. Children, you can see here goat and girl. What is this, children?
Goat, sir.
Yes, goat. This is goat. Okay. Which is the first letter in goat, children?
Capital G, sir.
Yes, G. Capital G. This is the capital G. We can write capital G like this. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
What is this, children?
Girl, sir.
Girl. This is girl. So which is the first letter in girl, children?
Small G, sir.
G. Small g. This is small g. We can write small g like this. Okay, children. Let's go. Next song. You can see here, children. Will you show me where H is? H is there in hat and house. Once again, children. Will you show me where H is? H is there in hat and house. Okay, children. Let's see hat
Sir, screen stuck in, sir.
Nivas, voice is okay?
Okay, sir.
Now okay.
Screen is stuck in, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
okay, now okay?
Okay, sir.
Right. Children, you can see here hat and house. Okay, children. What is this, children?
Hat, sir.
Yes, this is hat. This is hat. Which is the first letter in hat, children?
Capital H, sir.
Yes, H, capital H. This is the capital H. Capital H. Children, we can write capital H like this. Okay, children. Right. What is this, children? This is house.
House,
This
sir.
is house. Which is the first letter in house, children?
Small H, sir.
Yes, H, small h. This is small h. We can write small h like this. Okay, children. Let's go. Next song. You can see here, children.
Tell me where I is.
Okay. No, don't sing you. I sing, okay? Tell me where I is. I is there in ice and ink. Once again, children. Tell me where I is. I is there in ice and ink. Okay, children, let's see ice and ink. Children, you can see here ice and ink. What is this, children?
Ice cream, sir.
Yes, this is ice cream. This is ice cream. So which is the first letter in ice cream, children?
Capital I, sir.
Yes, I. Capital I. This is the capital I. We can write capital I like this, children. Okay, children. Right.
Yes,
So
sir.
what is this, children?
Idli, sir.
Yes, it is idli. It is idli. Which is the first letter idli in, children? In
Capital
idli,
I,
which is the
sir. Small
first letter
I,
in
sir.
idli? Huh?
Small I, sir.
Yes, I. Small I. This is small I. This is small I. We can write small I like this, children. Okay. Let's go to next song. You can see on the screen, children. Tell me where J is. J is there in jar and jug. Once again, children. Tell me where J is. J is there in jar and jug. Okay, children. Let's see jar and jug. You can see jar and jug here, children. What is this, children?
Jug, sir.
Yes, jug. This is jug. Which is the first letter in jug, children?
Capital J, sir.
Yes, J. Capital J. This is capital J. We can write capital J like this, children. Okay, children. We can write capital J like this, children. Okay. What is this, children?
Jar, sir. Jar.
Yes, this is jar. This is jar. Which is the first letter in jar, children?
Small J, sir.
Yes, J. Small j. This is small j. We can write small j like this, children. We can write
Yes, sir.
like this. Okay, children, let's go to next song. You can see here, children. Tell me where K is. K is there in king and kite. Once again, children. Tell me where K is. K is there in king and kite. Okay, children, let's see king and kite. Children, you can see here king and kite. What is this, children?
King, sir.
Yes, this is king. This is king. Which is the first letter in king, children?
Capital K, sir.
Yes, K, capital K. This is the capital K. We can write capital K like this, children. Okay, children. Right. What is this, children?
Kite, sir.
Yes, this is kite. This is kite. So, which is the first letter in kite, children?
Small K, sir.
Yes, K, small k. This is small k. Children, we can write small k like this, children. So, we can observe capital K, small k. Capital K, this is small, capital K, this is small k. Okay, children. Right. Now, let's go to next song. Children, you can see on the screen. Tell me where L is. L is there in lamp and ladder. Once again, children. Tell me where L is. L is there in lamp and ladder. Okay, children. Let's see lamp and ladder. Children, you can see lamp and ladder here, children. What is this, children?
Lamp, sir.
Yes, this is lamp. Okay, this is lamp. Which is the first letter in lamp, children?
Capital L, sir.
Yes, L, capital L. This is the capital L. We can write capital L like this. Okay, children. Right. What is this, children?
Ladder, sir.
Yes, this is ladder. This is ladder. So, which is the first letter in the ladder, children?
Small L, sir.
Yes, L, small L. This is small L. We can write small L like this. Okay, children. Right. Let's go to next song. You can see children on the screen. Grandpa, where M is? M is there in mat and monkey. Once again, children. Grandpa, where M is? M is here and mat and monkey. Okay, children, let's see mat and monkey. Children, you can see here mat and monkey.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Children, you can see here mango and monkey. Okay, children. What is this, children?
Mango, sir.
Yes, this is mango. This is mango. Which is the first letter in mango, children?
Capital M, sir.
Yes, M. Capital M. This is the capital M, children. Okay, children, we can write capital M like these, children. Right, children. What is this, children?
Monkey, sir.
Yes, this is monkey. Which is the first letter in monkey, children?
Small M, sir.
Yes, M. Small m. This is the small m. We can write small m like this, children. Okay, children. Right. Let's go to next song. We can see here, children, grandma, grandma, where N is here and net and nest. Once again, children. Grandma, where N is here in net and nest. Okay, children, let's see net and nest. Okay, children, you can see here net and nest. What is this, children?
Net, sir.
Yes, this is net. Which is the first letter in net, children?
Capital N, sir.
N. Capital N. This is the capital N. Children, we can write capital N like this, children. Okay, children. Right. What is this, children?
Nest, sir.
Yes, this is nest. This is nest. Which is the first letter in nest, children?
Small N,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, N. Small n. This is small n. We can write small n like this, children. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Okay, let's go to next song. You can see here, children, on the screen. Sister, where O is here in ox and all. Once again, children. Sister, where O is here in ox and all. Okay, children, let's see ox and owl. You can see here, children, ox and owl. What is this, children?
Ox, sir.
Yes, this is ox. Which is the first letter in ox, children?
Capital O, sir.
Yes, O, capital O. This is the capital O. We can write capital O like this. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Right. What is this, children?
Owl, sir.
Yes. This is owl. Which is the first letter in owl, children?
Small O, sir.
Yes, O. Small O. This is the small O. We can write small O like this, children. Okay, children. Let's go to next song. Children, you can see on the screen. Brother. Okay, take another color. Okay, children. Brother, where is P? Sorry. Brother, where P is? P is here in pen and pencil? Once again, children. Brother, brother, where P is? P is here in pen and pencil. Okay, children, let's see pen and pencil. You can see here, children, pen and pencil on the screen. What is this, children?
Pen, sir.
Yes, this is pen. Which is the first letter in pen, children?
Capital P, sir.
Yes, P. Capital P. This is the capital P. We can write capital P like this, children. Okay, children. Right. What is this, children?
Pencil, sir.
Yes, this is pencil. Which is the first letter in pencil, children?
Small P, sir.
Yes, P. Small p. This is the small p. This is small p. Write small p, children, like this. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Let's go next song. You can see a song on the screen, children. Will you show me where Q is? Q is there in Queen and Quill. Once again, children. Will you show me where Q is? Q is there in Queen and Quill. Okay, children, let's see Queen and Quill. Children, you can see here Queen and Quill. What is this, children?
Queen, sir.
Yes, this is Queen. Which is the first letter in Queen, children?
Capital Q, sir.
Yes, capital Q. This is capital Q. Okay, children. We can write capital Q like this, children. Okay, children. Right. What is this, children?
Quill, sir.
Yes, quill. So this is the quill. Which is the first letter in quill, children?
Small Q, sir.
Yes, Q. Small q. This is the small q. We can write small q like this, children. We can write small q. Okay, children. We can write small q like this. Okay, children. Let's go to
Sir, screen is stucking, sir.
Nivas. Now sound okay? Voice okay?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Voice is okay, sir. Screen is
Right,
okay, sir.
Screen also visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Children, you can see another song on the screen. Will you show me where Q?
Sir,
This is
Q
already
is-
over. Yes, yes. Completed. Okay, children. You can see another song here. Will you show me where R is? R is there in rat and ring. Once again, children. Will you show me where R is? R is there in rat and ring. Okay, children. Let's see rat and ring. You can see here, children, rat and ring here. What is this, children?
Rat, sir.
Yes, this is rat. This is rat. Which is the first letter in rat, children?
R, capital R, sir.
Yes, R, capital R. This is capital R. We can write capital R like this. Okay, children. Right. What is this, children?
Ring, sir.
Yes, this is ring. This is ring. Which is the first letter in ring, children?
Small R, sir.
Yes, small r. This is the small r. We can write small r. We can write small r like this, children. Okay, children. Let's go to another song. Children, you can see another song on the screen. Will you show me where S is? S is there in snake and snail. Once again, children. Will you show me where S is? S is there in snake and snail. Okay, children, let's see snake and snail. You can see snake and snail here, children. What is this?
Snake,
Children.
sir.
Yes, this is snake. This is snake. Which is the first letter in snake, children?
Capital S, sir.
Yes, this is capital S. Yes, this is capital S. We can write capital S like this, children. Okay, children.
Okay,
Right.
sir.
What is this, children?
Snail, sir.
Yes, this is snail. This is snail. Which is the first letter in snail, children?
Small S, sir.
Yes, S, small s. We can write small s like this, children. Okay, children. Let's go to another song. You can see, children, on the screen. Okay, right. Will you show me where T is? T is there in tap and top. Okay, children, once again. Will you show me where T is? T is there in tap and top. Children, let's see tap and top. You can see here, children, tap and top on the screen. What is this, children?
Tap, sir.
Yes, it is tap. This is tap. Which is the first letter in tap, children?
Capital T, sir.
Yes, T, capital T. This is the capital T. We can write capital T like this, children. Okay, children. Right.
Okay, sir.
What is this, children?
Top, sir.
Yes, this is top. This is top. Which is the first letter in top, children?
Small T, sir.
Yes, T, small t. This is small t. We can write small t like this, children. We can write small t like this. Okay, children, let's go to another song. You can see on the screen. UVW, do you know where they are? U is there in umbrella, V is there in van, W is there in watch, my friend. Okay, children, once again. UVW, do you know where they are? U is there in umbrella, V is there in van, W is there in watch, my friend. Okay, friends. Okay, children. Let's see. Umbrella, van, watch. Okay, you can see here umbrella and uniform. Okay, umbrella and van and also watch. Okay, right. What is this, children?
Umbrella, sir.
Yes, this is umbrella. This is umbrella. Which is the first letter in umbrella, children?
Capital U, sir.
U, capital U. This is the capital U. We can write capital U like this, children. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Right. What is this, children?
Uniform, sir.
Yes, children. This is uniform. This is uniform. Which is the first letter in uniform, children?
Small U, sir.
Yes, U. Small U. This is the small U. We can write small U like this, children. Okay, children. Once again, see. We can write small U like this, children. Right. What is this, children?
Van, sir.
Yes, this is van. Which is the first letter in van, children?
Capital V, sir.
Yes, V. Capital V. This is the capital V. We can write capital V like this, children. Okay, children. Right. What is this, children?
Was, sir.
Yes, this is vas. This is vas. So which is the first letter in this, children?
Small V, sir.
Yes, V, small v. This is small v. We can write small v like this, children. Once again, we can write v, small v like this, children. Okay, children. What is this, children?
Watch, sir.
Yes, this is watch. This is watch. Which is the first letter in watch, children?
Capital W, sir.
Yes, W. This is W. This is W. Capital W. This is capital W. We can write capital W like this, children. Okay, children. What
Okay,
is this,
sir.
children?
Will, sir.
Well. This is well. Which is the first letter in well, children?
Small V, sir. Small W, sir.
Yes, W, small w. This is the small w. We can write small w like this, children. Okay, children. Let's see another song, children. Let's go to another song. You can see on the screen, children. XYZ, XYZ, they are hiding in these words. X is in Xmas, my friend. Y is in yak and yellow. Z is in Jew and zebra. Let me end here, my dear friend. Okay, children, once again. XYZ, XYZ, they are hiding in these words. X is in Xmas, my friend. Y is in yak and yellow. Z is in Jew and zebra. Let me end here, my dear friend. Okay, children. Let's see.
Okay.
Xmas, yak, Jew, zebra, etc. Okay, children, you can see on the screen Xmas tree, zebra, yak, yellow, X-ray, and jeep. Okay, children. What is this, children?
Xmas tree, sir.
Yes, this is Xmas tree. This is Xmas tree. Which is the first letter in Xmas tree, children?
Capital X, sir.
Yes, X, capital X. This is capital X. We can write capital X like this, children. Okay, children. Right. What is this, children?
X-ray, sir.
Yes, this is X-ray. Which is the first letter in X-ray, children?
Small X, sir.
Yes, we can write small x like this, children. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Right. What is this, children?
Yak, sir.
Yes, this is yak. Which is the first letter in yak, children?
The capital Y, sir.
Yes, this is Y. This is capital Y. We can write capital Y like this, children. We can write capital Y like this, children. What is this, children?
Yellow, sir.
Yes, this is yellow. Which is the first letter in yellow, children?
Small Y, sir.
Yes, small y. We can write small y like this, children. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Right. What is this, children?
Zebra, sir.
Yes, this is zebra. Which is the first letter in zebra, children?
Capital Z, sir.
Yes, capital Z. This is capital Z. We can write capital Z like this, children. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Right. What is this, children?
Jeep, sir.
Yes, this is jeep. Which is the first letter in jeep, children?
Small Z, sir.
Yes. Sorry. Yes. This is Z. Small z. This is small z. We can write small z like this, children. Okay, children. We have learned all the alphabet, songs, and its pictures also. Okay.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Okay. Ask.
Sir, 5th class worksheets better, sir.
No.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now I will give mic to all. If you have any doubt, you can raise your hands in the option. I will give mic to ask your doubt. Okay, raise your hands. Who have doubts? Okay, Yashwant Munna. Munna, mic. Munna, mic given to you. Ask your doubt.
Sir, నేను లేపలేను సార్ హ్యాండ్.
No. Okay,
Sir,
right,
no.
right. Where are you from? Where are you from? Which class are you studying?
My name is Jayashwan, sir. My village
Yes.
Namlikonda. District
Namlikonda.
Jagityal, sir.
Jagityal district.
Class
Okay,
5th,
okay,
sir.
right. Okay, Yashwant.
Sir.
Right. Okay, next. Okay, now lower all hands. Now raise your hands. Okay, right. I will give you mic. Tanish Teja, mic given to you.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Ask your doubt.
Sir, when results come, sir?
Okay, once again, not clear. Your voice is stucking.
When results come, sir? Hostel's results.
What about 5th TG set?
5th class, yes.
Yes. It will announce in the month in this end of the month or next month first week.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. Where are you from?
I'm from Hyderabad, Nizampet. District.
Nizampet. Right.
Okay, sir.
Okay, next Tanish Teja. Tanish Teja, mic given to you. Ask your doubt. Tanish Teja. Are you in meeting or not?
Sir, Tanish Tejas over, sir.
Over? Okay, right. Okay, next who is? Poturi Harshavardhan. Harshavardhan, given to you mic, already given to you mic. Ask your doubt.
Sir, Omar pump. Sir, group la pampi and Omar.
Okay, definitely. After completion of the class, I will send homework in BLP WhatsApp group. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. Where are you from? ఎక్కడి నుంచి మీరు?
Sir, Himatnar.
Himayat Nagar,
village
Hyderabad.
Gangavara.
Which district? జిల్లా ఏది?
చెన్నై సార్.
కరీంనగరా?
సార్.
Okay, okay, right. Okay, next, Srihita. Srihita, mic given to you. Ask your doubt.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening. How are you?
Fine.
Fine, sir.
Nice, nice. Okay, ask you, do you have any doubts?
Yes, sir. Camera
your doubt.
spelling, sir.
Hmm?
Camera spelling, sir.
Camera na?
Ah.
CAMERA. MERA.
Arjuna.
Yeah,
Yes, yes.
yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. ఎక్కడి నుండి? Where are you from?
Medpalli.
Jగిత్యాల district.
Medpalli, Jayatala district, sir.
Very good, very good. Which class are you studying?
One, sir.
First class.
First class,
First
sir.
class. Very good, very good. Bye.
Bye, sir.
No, that's not.
Harshan Vedan. Mic given to you. Ask your doubt.
Sir,
Yes.
my name is Dharmika.
Dharmika. Okay.
Class third class, sir.
Okay.
మీరు హోంవర్క్ పెట్టింది గ్రూప్ లో పెడతారా సార్?
Yes, yes. WhatsApp group.
ఓకే.
Do you have any doubt?
నో సార్.
Very good. Where are you from?
ఖమ్మం.
Khammam. Very good, very good.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Welcome, welcome. Next, Pravalika. Pravalika, mic given to you. Ask your doubt.
సార్ ఎగ్జామ్ పెడుతున్నారా సార్ మాకు?
No, no. Those are worksheets only. Like homework. Okay. Understand? You are in mute. Unmute your mic. First you unmute your mic. Unmute chesko. Right.
ఓకే
Right.
టీచర్.
Okay, now ask. Now talk. Speak. Okay, those are not exams like homework. Okay, which I have shared in WhatsApp group. You complete them. You post in WhatsApp group. Okay. Where are you from?
గుడిమల్ల సార్.
Which district?
ఖమ్మం సార్.
Come on. Okay, okay. Which class are you studying?
ఫోర్త్ క్లాస్ సార్.
Okay, right. Bye. Okay, let's see another one. Hansika. Ansika, mic given to you.
సార్
Ask something. Ask your doubt.
సార్ మీరు
Hmm.
ఇప్పుడు హోంవర్క్ పెడతారు కదా సార్, ఇప్పుడు పోయమ్స్ కూడా రాయాలా సార్?
Poems, huh?
ఆ పోయమ్స్ కూడా రాయాలా సార్?
రాయండి. ఓకేనా? Write them also. Okay?
ఓకే సార్.
Write them, sing them.
ఓకే సార్.
Both. Right.
ఓకే
Where are you from?
సిరికొండ సార్.
Sirikonda. Which district? Khammam? No.
మోత సార్.
ఏ జిల్లా మీది? Which district?
సూర్యాపేట్.
Suryapet. Okay, okay. Which class are you studying?
థర్డ్ క్లాస్ సార్.
Very good, very good, very good. Hansika?
హన్స్కా కాదు సార్, మా అక్క పేరు. మా అక్కకి నవోదయ సీట్ వస్తే దీంట్లోనే క్లాస్ ఉంటుంది సార్. నా పేరు హరిణి.
Harini. Then change
Yes,
your
sir.
name. Change your name as Harini. Hansika to Harini.
ఓకే సార్.
Right, bye.
బాయ్ సార్.
Okay. Okay, let's see another one. Yashwant. Yashwant, mic given. Ask your doubt.
గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ సార్.
Very, very good evening. Very good evening. Yashwant, here name is Yashwant. What's your name?
Sir, my name is Yashaswini, sir. My brother name is Yashwant.
Okay, okay. Yashaswini. Okay, okay. Yashaswini is also there.
Teacher. Sir.
Yes, yes. Ask your doubt. Do you have any
Sir.
doubt?
సార్ హోంవర్క్ గ్రూప్ లో పెట్టమంటారా సార్? హోంవర్క్ గ్రూప్ లో పెట్టమంటారా?
Homework group. You should send homework in only homework group only.
సార్ ఓకే.
Okay, okay. Where are you from?
సార్ నమ్లికొండ సార్. మై విలేజ్ ఇస్ నమ్లికొండ. మై డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ ఇస్ జగిత్యాల.
Okay, okay. Which class are you studying?
Studying is 5th class.
Okay, fine, fine. Bye. Okay, next who is Muhammad Shahali. Shahali, mic given. Ask your doubt.
My name is Tanvir. Tanvir.
Shahali. Hi, hi, Shahali. Hi.
शाहिद बोल. बात करिए. शाहिद.
Shahid.
सीधा बात कर. फर्स्ट क्लास है बोल. फर्स्ट क्लास है.
First class. Okay. ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉందా నీకు?
हाँ अच्छी बात कर. नो सर. नो सर.
వెరీ గుడ్, వెరీ గుడ్. ఎక్కడి నుండి? ఏ ఊరు మీది? పరిగ్యా?
yes sir. Yes sir. Vikarabad district.
Yes, yes. ఏ జిల్లా? విచ్ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్?
Vikarabad district बोल. Vikarabad district sir बोल. Vikarabad बोल. Vikarabad district.
Vikarabad. Okay, right, right. Bye, bye. Bye, bye. Don't cry. Right. Okay, all are over. I think Sakshita, final. Sakshita, mic given. Ask your doubt.
సార్ మీరు హోంవర్క్ ఎన్నింటికి పంపిస్తున్నారు సార్?
After class.
After class. Okay, sir.
Okay, okay. Where are you from? ఎక్కడి నుండి? ఏ ఊరు మీది? ఏ ఊరు? విలేజ్?
కాలువ శ్రీరాంపూర్. కాలువ శ్రీరాంపూర్.
ఓకే, ఓకే. ఏ జిల్లా?
పెద్దపల్లి.
ఓకే, ఓకే, రైట్. ఏ క్లాస్ చదువుతున్నావు?
I am studying in 4th class, sir.
వెరీ గుడ్, వెరీ గుడ్. బాయ్. Okay, right. Okay, raise your hand if you have any doubt. Raise your hand. Karunya, mic given, ask your doubt. Your voice not audible. Not coming, voice not coming. వాయిస్ వినిపిస్తలేదు. ఏమన్నా దానికి అది తీయండి. ఇది ఇయర్ ఫోన్స్ తీయండి. ప్లగ్డ్ అవుట్ ఇయర్ ఫోన్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ద ఫోన్. No sound. Okay, no problem. Tomorrow we will talk, and also you can ask your doubt in WhatsApp group also. Okay, bye. And any more doubts? Okay, no doubts. Okay, children, this is today class. Class is Lily, do you have any doubt? Lily, what's your name? Unmute. Okay. Now talk. Now speak.
My name is Lakshmi Prahasini, sir.
Voice is breaking. Prahasini. Prahasini. Okay, do you have any doubts? Do you have doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. Yesterday, previous day before yesterday, you did not attend the class. Why?
Yes, sir.
Why? Where did you go?
Food not allowed, sir.
Not allowed. Okay. Attend regularly. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sure.
Right. Bye.
Sure.
Bye, sir.
Sure.
Okay, this is today's class. Okay, now close the class. All of you, bye.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye. All of you, bye. Bye.
Bye, sir.
All of you, bye.
Bye,
Okay,
sir.
I will send homework.
Bye, sir. Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
All, bye to all.
Homework unda, sir.
Yes, I will send by WhatsApp.